Morning, everybody. Just getting everything set up on the YouTube channel. Good morning. Good morning. It's a buy stop, all three indices to the 1 minute blue line of NAS. Hopefully y'all caught that. Stream location is Las Vegas, Nevada, the Strip. We're in Vegas, well, for the next 3 months, 2.5 months, 3 months, whatever. But currently we're in Caesar's Palace for basically a week. And then we're heading over to our house for the next 2.5 months right after that. So yay us, thank God. All right, let's move this over here. Move this here. Maybe we can shrink this down. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? How did everybody like those call outs we did today, this morning? To the blue line on NAS has been hit as called out directly this morning in your the VIP signal rooms. Y'all got it, I'm sure. I sent it out to each and every one of you. That was me personally doing. That's extra. I didn't even count that for you guys. So you guys should be good with that. All right. Yay. All right. Good morning, everybody. DJ John. Okay, don't care. Who's here on TikTok? I'm sorry, I might have missed something. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Fly to Sky Jan. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Julius. Good morning, Gladys. Good morning, Peter P. What's up, Martar? The wasn't rebooted on your according to Keith, wasn't rebooted the H&H scanner. That's why. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Tanny B. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Jason McCain. I can't look right now, Keith. Keith's sending me all kinds of messages. Can't do it. I'm sorry. All right, so this is what happened. I called out a whole bunch of signals. Who here got the signals I called out this morning? Did anyone get the signals I called out this morning? Good morning, Coach. Who is this? D-Man. What's up, D-Man? Good morning. I'll get everything situated. We're strictly firing off half-assed. Nothing's really good right here. That's all I can tell you right now. It's nothing spectacular by any stretch. Anybody on TikTok, anybody on YouTube get the signals from this morning? The signals were fantastic. I specifically called them out. Good morning, D-Man. Thanks for being on both. Tier 1 signals, the 30-minute broke. All 30-minute 1 hour finally hitting. They were up 150 pips, 20 pips, 95 pips. I said to look for the blue line yesterday. It went up to the buy stop to the US 30 blue line. It did it this morning. I would trade any 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 minute, 15-minute sell stops for NAS, SPX, so on. All three indices buy stop NAS 1 minute blue line. Hope somebody. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Casey. Good morning, Adam. I hope some of you, none of you had the signals this morning. What the fuck? Really? There's hundreds of you in the signal group. Oh, Stacy said me. Yay, Stacy. Just saw your little message, Stacy. So, Stacy, did you get those messages about the 1 minute buy stops? And you see how it went up and touched the blue line right here? This is when I called it. Oh, where's my thing at? Hold on, I swear. The computer restarts everything. It's so weird how it does this, but whatever. Right, here's where I called that. And I said 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute buy stop to blue line on NAS. You literally, if you'd have listened just to that one call right here, you'd have got in here to here. You'd have made 50 pips. Holy shit, is that right? Damn, it's pretty bold. This one's pretty good. I was busy having a golden night last night. Nice, Peter P. Well, one of you did. I did. Thanks very much. Yay, Stacy. Congratulations, Stacy. One person we helped. Whoa. No, there's more. I know a lot of people aren't on live with me this morning. Whew, what a great, fantastically great morning. Unbelievably great morning. There's your NAS. Here's SPX going over the same time period up. Here's US 30 going up, up, and away. By the way, just so we're clear, the 4-hour, 1 hour, 4-hour call, I'm sorry, the 4-hour daily call I called out 2 days ago is now on the money on US 30, on SPX, and on, well, NAS is coming. I can't see. No, not yet. You have time for NAS. NAS, 4-hour daily buy stop, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4-hour buy stops on NAS and SPX and US 30 you can play. Okay. Booty dancing. All right. So the call outs that were made, we're going to go over every one of them again. I think someone got a little antsy. Someone said, well, what about the gold? Explain the gold. I don't understand the gold. The 30-minute sell stop gold that was called out 2 days ago, or the 18th, whatever it was, sell stop. This is gold. I'll explain it to you now, because every signal that's ever called is called out, as is shown out directly what happens. So this is gold right here. This is from yesterday. This is when the sell stop was called by the computer. It came over, formed the sell stop, entered in. You'd have made from roughly 2,100 info. I can't even see it. Hold on. 2,160, I guess, down to, hold on, 2,147. You'd have made $14 an ounce if you'd have listened to the gold call, 30-minute gold call that was called out by the signal. Everyone wants it to happen. You don't understand. When there's a 30-minute or a 15-minute or a 1-hour signal call, you have to wait sometimes an entire day, sometimes 2 or 3 days. This 4-hour buy stop could take a week. You guys are too impatient. Some of you just act like, I don't know, little babies almost. You got to wait for it. I come into this. I caught some of that sell. I'm sorry, let me see what Kim's saying. That sell on gold. I don't trade indices, so I really don't pay attention to those things. Oh, great, Kimberly. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? With such a nice drop. Oh, I waited, Peter P. I know some of you are patient. You, Kim, Tommy, Goroff, there's a few of you guys that are very patient. Others, somebody was on here yesterday, I forgot who it was, right at the end of the live saying, oh, what about that gold call? Well, A, you could enter in the buy and made a little money on that. B, you could have waited for the drop, for it to form and drop. I mean, again, trust the signal service, trust what you're seeing with the, look at the Bach had broke, the sniper broke up, red, green. I mean, you just had to wait. It dropped gorgeously, as Kim and Peter are telling you. Just gorgeous. And if you look over here, oops, let me go over here, watch. Let me go over here, go to the 1 hour. Okay. And then the, let me go back over here too. I have these 2 big. It doesn't ever seem to hold whenever I close something down. It never seems to hold it. I don't know what I'm doing there, but that's okay. All right. So this was the original call for the sell stop. You had to let it develop, come across. Oops, sorry. Let me get back to where we were. The original sell stop right here. So you had to let it develop and come up over and come back down again. You could even see that's why this was, that's why I called it a little different for you guys. This was forming the 1 hour. So technically this was probably a 30-minute. What did I end up calling on this one? Yeah, 30-minute. This ended up being a 30-minute. Look, blue line flat, blue line raised up, sell stop, not a broken box, sell stop, down she went. So I'm glad a few of you caught that and was able to see that. You can see the logo came over, boop, came up, boop, there it is. That was me, Peter P. Oh, that was you asking that, Peter P. I was wondering. Yeah, people are so anxious. Like, I was assuming you were replying, why didn't it work? Well, you could have took a little bit on the buy, or you could have just waited patiently for that sell, either or. All right. So the signal service, I know we're well over 40 correct calls. Let me ask everyone watching on TikTok and YouTube, is anyone here from January 1st of 2024 this year? Is anyone here 40-0 with no losses called? Does anyone have 40 trades in a row wins with 0 losses? Please speak up if you do. I don't. I have losses. I'll wait a second for people on YouTube which have a delay. Anybody 40-0? Because the signal service has now made over 40. I think we're at 42, 43 correct signals with 0 losses since January 1st. Kimberly Herring said no. Yeah, definitely not me either. All right. So the signal service, what is the signal service? Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, that calls out your indices, the 3 indices we trade. Gold obviously is for gold, and we have oil that are current. Now, when I get moved into the house next week into Vegas, when we're into our Verbo house, we're going to go ahead and me and Keith are going to get together. We're going to go ahead and finalize gold and oil. Oil is already pretty much finalized. I'm going to update. We're going to update gold so that you're going to have we have 100% accurate signals, and we're going to make them even more accurate. How do we do that? Because we're going to start allowing market order trades for the first time in my history. Literally, market order trades are available on oil signal cells specifically. Soon it will be on all gold and oil should be market order trades. We're meaning when I make a call on the signal, you can go directly into that trade. So that's coming. Peter P, it's ridiculous good. I agree with you, Peter P. What's up, Neil Bosford? What's up, Profit Room? Trading futures. Oh, I love when people ask this. This is what we're trading right here. Let's have some fun with this to show him exactly what we're looking at. What do we trade right here? Not only do we trade futures, but take a look. We trade, it's so much more impressive when you're on YouTube. We trade all indices, including futures, including SPY and SPX and US 30 and Australian and gold and oil, all in this room. All 8 time frames, all at once is trading. Not only do we trade that, we trade Forex, all majors and crosses. ER, look at them all go. It's like Christmas. Look at this one. Boom, buy stop. Spinning up arrows are buys, down are reds. This is the most impressive thing you've ever seen because you can't see the code for the signals. So we trade all of these, all the majors and crosses. We trade all cryptos that aren't the shit coins, all the big ones, Bitcoin, Doge, all those. We trade all of them. There's XMRB, BTCS, a buy stop 1 minute. We trade all stocks. Oh, not all, but 55 different stocks. Look at this, like Christmas every day, red and green. Red sells, brand new 5-minute buy stops. We trade all of these. There's another one right here. Araf.p. I don't even know what the fuck that is. 5-minute sell. All 55, there's a buy. We trade all those all at once. That is correct. Indices top 10 room. Forex top 10 room. Look at Forex. Look at all these you could be trading all at once. Now, some people only trade 1 or 2 symbols, so the scanner room isn't worth your time. But if you're trading more than 1 symbol or you want to learn the style of trading, see how it's updating? You want to get this. It's amazing. Look at crypto. There's crypto. Look at the stocks. Look at the stocks. Look, buy, sells, 5 minutes. V, FB, Facebook, RFP. Look at the 1 minutes. There you go. So this is what we trade. Everything. It's over. And then anything you can chart on TradingView. It's over 1,000 symbols you can trade using my system, to be specific. All right. Just thought I'd share that directly with whoever was asking that. It's ridiculous. Okay. All right. Let's see. The signal service is ridiculously good. Let me go back to NAS real quick. I want to see what happened with it. Over here. Now, after NAS touched its blue line, 1 minute buy stop again, back to the blue line for NAS. You don't have to stay in the trade. You already made 40, 50 pips. You might as well just get out. That's all. All right. Now, signal service, back to that. Called out tier 1 signal, tier 2, tier 3. What that means is you get 5 signals for $150 a month, 10 signals for $250 a month, and unlimited signals for tier 3, $350 a month. What you're looking at is a live call where I said NAS to the blue line. This is timestamped with Discord. Nothing's been edited. When you come over to look, when I made that call, it's right here on this green line. I said buy, stop to the blue line, look for any of them. Literally said in my description, trade any 1 minute buy stops to the blue line for NAS, SPX, or US 30. Here's your NAS. SPX did the same thing, went straight up, and US 30 also did the same thing, went straight up after my line call. Okay. Yes, king of fibs, and Fibonacci doesn't work. It's made off of nature. Fibonacci's do not work at all. I tried trading Fibonacci retracements for a year and a half on NAS and EUR USD. It doesn't work, never will work. I developed my own system, it actually does work. Yes, we work on futures. People use Tradeovite every day. Jose made $36,000 in a day. My brother makes a few $100s in a day now. He's doing real good. Well, for most days, I should say. I think he had an off day yesterday with cold because he didn't be patient. He didn't wait. I don't understand what he does. Some days it concerns me. Yeah, works on futures. Yes, sir. You can trade Tradeovite with him. I just did that. I'm not going back through that thing. All right. Also yesterday, gold is now a 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Peter P, tell King of Fibs how much money you made last few days or last week. Do you mind telling him, Peter P? It's also a 4 hour daily buy stop on gold. So let's take a look at gold. So we did a 30-minute sell, and then we went over to gold. Here's gold. This is the 30-minute sell. Boom, went down perfectly. And now we're back into the 4 hour buy. You should be looking for a 4 hour buy stop soon. Okay. 3,600 a day, but I average 1,000 to 2,000 a day. So Neil, that answers your question. No, not Neil. Sorry. What's up, Neil? King of Fibs, that answers your question. One of our guys happens to be online, Peter P. $3,600 he made today, and he averages about $1,000 to $2,000 a day. And for you, those of you on TikTok that can't see that, there's that. There it is. There we go. And for those of you just joining, we're live from the Caesars Palace, Las Vegas Strip. Me and my lovely wife, Bree, we're here having a blast, fantastic, great time. Although I'm ready to get into the 100% ready to get into the home now. We'll be in Vegas for 3 months. We've already been here a week. Well, going on a week. Well, we drove here and we've been here for 4 days already on the Strip. I don't know, whatever. We'll be here for a month. So, yep. You can trade anywhere in the world. You want ultimate freedom? Buy the damn system. I honest to God believe in my core that we do not help everybody. I'm not mistaken. I'm not an idiot. I know for a fact 1/3 of our people will not be successful with the system, but I also know for a fact 1/3 of you will break even and 1/3 of you will make money, be profitable. What's up, Tank Dog? And I'm telling you that we are your best chance at being profitable trading, period. I could believe that to my core. You can ask everybody that ever comes on here. Who do we got? All right, I haven't asked this in fucking months. Everyone here who's ever snagging and scamming the calls that I make out, that I give out for free every day, or anybody that actually is one of my members, does the system, well, let's rephrase this. What is my daily live trading win rate for you guys over a 2-year period of time on TikTok and a year and a half on YouTube? What is my win rate? Does anyone mind speaking up? What's up, Joe Bigga? Hope you're doing better today, Tank Dog, with your trades. Anybody ever watch me trade? Let's go ahead and take a look at their answers when you see this. Anybody? I know YouTube's on a delay. What is my daily win rate? What is the hell? Thank you, Neil. What is the win rate of the signal service that I created year to date? What's the win rate of the signal service? Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, Joe Bigga. Nope, 98. You're incorrect, Joe Bigga. I'm 100%. Daily win rate, meaning I'll have a loss in a day, but my daily win rate, I've never had a losing day ever. So why it's been 100%. That is correct, CV. Leona, correct. No, I do have losing days, D-Man. Losing days. I do have losing trades, but never a losing day. So the daily win rate I have is what I'm asking. Sorry, wasn't clear. What's up, Azar? Good morning, Azar. Yeah, it's 100. I'd rather not say it. I'd rather you guys. So everyone on here, 34 of you on TikTok, I don't know, whatever, 50 of you, 60 of you on YouTube, whatever it is, 30 of you on YouTube. I'm not telling you what my win rate is. They're telling you what my win rate is, daily win rate. Now, what's the signal service win rate? It's 40 and 0, and it ain't 40 losses. It's over 40 wins correctly. The signal, and I don't believe for 1 second, I don't believe the signals will stay at 100% win rate. I do believe we'll be at an 80 to 90% win rate historically over the next year. But and professional traders only win 64% of their trades, by the way, to be clear, and only 10 pips a day. I would be embarrassed. I don't even consider a winning trade unless we double what a professional trader makes in a day, to be clear. So technically, we're over 100 wins, but I'm not going into that. So far, the signals are over 40 and 0, 100% win rate. I'm a 96% with system over 75 trades. This is the only system by the system. Thank you, Peter P. I agree with what you're stating. I've made my first $17 from your call out. Yay! Tank Dog, congratulations. That's not much. It deserves a standing O. Wow. All right. Thank you guys for speaking up. Just wanted to point out that the system is made. Good job, Tank Dog. Standing O. What's up, the great Keith Palmer? What's up, Keithy Palmer? Keith, the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, Keith? Keith is the one you can thank for the sniper. You can definitely thank him for the signal callouts. You can definitely thank him for the scanner. 100% people get system with the sniper. Absolutely, Julius. I 100% agree with that, yes. Yay, Tank Dog. Made his first $17. Traded from his phone, by the way. Incredible feat. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Kevin. What's up, Cliffy? I got to start inviting people on here, I guess, eventually. The only times I lose is when I don't follow the rule. Amen. Amen on that, Leon. Same for me, bro. You start getting a little cocky. You think you got everything. You know it all. Boop, it humbles you. Thank God for giving Keith the gift of code. Amen to that. Yep. Thank you, Keith. Standing O for Tank Dog. Standing O for Keith Palmer. Keith Palmer is our great coder. He's just amazing. Amazing man. Good man. Great man. One of the real deal. One of the great guys in the world is Keith. Just a good person. Blessed to know him in my life, me agree. Only person I've ever met on here that is one of our members that isn't family is Keith Palmer. I've never met any one of you besides Keith Palmer. Me and Bree went up to Chattanooga a few weeks ago and met him and his lovely girlfriend, actually. And just a very nice time. We went to Cheesecake. It wasn't the greatest Cheesecake Factory, but we tried. Just had a nice time with them, though. Unbelievably good man. Unbelievably good coder. Hell, he's even a better man than he is coder. And he's a fantastic coder. And he brings all my crazy ideas to life. Matter of fact, hopefully I don't want to jinx anything, but hopefully by over the weekend, we can finish up gold and oil, maybe, what I'm hoping for. All right. Whew. So what else you guys want to go over? I think we went over every trade that was called out. Keith, we're over 40 and 0. I think we're at like 43 and 0 on the signal service so far. 0 losses. There's been like 2 or 3 or 3 or 4 pushes where it kind of never engaged. The trade just kept going up. Then there's 40 times or over 40 times where it engaged the trade correctly and you would have made money. The equivalent of over 20 pips per trade. I only count, generally speaking, I only count US 30 as the trade. I don't count NAS or SPX. So if you counted those two, you'd be well over 100 trades on the service. All right. We should be in our house, Lord willing, tomorrow evening. Lord willing, that means like, I don't know, Thursday, Friday. You'll see us, you'll see me on lives a lot more. I'm going to go back to trading through you guys, probably from like 7 through 9:45 every morning, something like that. Every morning. That's probably what I'll be doing with you guys. Because it's so cool with the time here. By the time we get done with that, we're staying on Eastern Standard Time. So the time we're done and get everything ready, it's only like noon here in Vegas. So we still have like 2 days for everyone. It's amazing. Love being here in Vegas. Just a blast. All right. So how does the signal service and Keith do such fantastic job coding everything and we get these results? Because the signal service, when Keith codes things, he follows the damn rules. System does lose. People lose. Kevin executes system to near perfection, showing all of this possible by it. Nope, I'm going to correct Matt on that. I know what he's trying to say. People lose, yes. System is flawless. When it calls and follows the rules of the system, just this one right here, look right here, whatever the fuck this is. This sell stop right here, we're even trading gold. What is this? 15-minute right here? Red, 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 green, red with the raised up blue. This will win 100% of the time. I think what Matt says is people fuck up the system. That I agree with. People screw up the government. People screw up religion. People screw up my system. But the system is flawless. There's never a time there's a 15-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute. The 1 hour forms the logo and the 15-minute forms the logo. If you follow the rules, you will never miss. It will always work, period. I don't care if you're trading 1 second. Yes, the system works on 1 second. I don't care if you're trading whatever you think you're trading. No, the system is flawless. The man screws the hair. This is 1 second to the blue line trade. This is, listen to me, everyone out there. This is 1 second. Green, green, green. Oh, it's not even a good one. But to the blue line and it hit it. Watch, we'll go back further. I'll show you some more. You guys, these are 1 second ticks that are correct. It never misses. I can't see that one either. Hold on. I mean, they're all buy stops or sell stops. I'm just trying to get you a clear, easy one on the 1 second chart. Oh, fuck it. Let's look at that. I would have never thought that anything could work on 1 second, but yet here we go. Here's a 1 second broken Bach. Look at that. 1 second. A 1 second broken Bach. Fuck me. Green, 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 red, red, broken Bach. Buy stop, and up it goes. It's as simple as that. So no, I don't agree with Matt that, the system never loses. The system is 100% accurate. Whether you're trading 1 second ticks, you're trading 1 monthly ticks, weekly, daily, 4 hours, it works every fucking time. You follow the rules, it works 100%. I only give it a 99% win rate because God can do whatever he wants to do. But other than God doing what he wants to do, this system will be flawless. Just so we're clear. Sorry, Kevin, I'm typing on my phone. It is supposed to say system doesn't lose. Okay, that's cool, Matt. I figured as much because no, the system is what it is. Julius, thank God. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Julius. Thank you, Matt. And appreciate you guys being here, by the way, all the brothers and everything. Can you imagine? You're looking at 1 second trades. First of all, when I was learning, I've been in this business for almost 10 years, right? I was told that you can't make sense out of 1 minute trades. You can't make sense. Look at the buy stops forming before it. Look at the buy. These are 1 second buys. Green, 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 red. Blue line low. Up she went. Green, 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 red. Blue line low. Sniper. Up she went. It isn't much, but these are 1 second trades you're watching. It's making sense. Oh, but what about, let's go over to monthly. Let's go over to monthly Bitcoin. Let's go over to monthly Bitcoin. And what do you see? A buy stop. You can't see the other bars here, so I don't have my MetaTrader 4, but it's green, 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 red. Buy stop monthly. It was called back in March. I'm literally going to make a video up of me calling out buy stops probably 100 to 200 times since March of last year, saying monthly buy stop, monthly buy stop. That's how many times. So yeah, it works on monthly. It just showed you 1 second. I've been showing you 15 minutes all morning. The system is just incredible what you're looking at. And the signal's based off it because Keith follows the rules. The rules rule. Thank you, Matt. All right, so does anybody have any questions before I go? I'm going to go ahead and run. I would suggest you head over to the website, buy the system. Boom, there it is. TheSafetyTrade.com is where you go to right here. Let me move this over a little. All this time, they can't keep me. All right, TheSafetyTrade.com is where you go to. If you have any questions, ask now before I go. Again, I should be able to go live maybe even Thursday night definitely, I'm hoping for Friday, we're good to go. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Matt and Julius and everybody being here. All right, TikTokers, I'm gonna head over to YouTube for a split second. If you need anything, holla. See you guys on TikTok. Bye, Azar. Thanks for joining, buddy. All right. TikTok is done. YouTube, any questions before I go on YouTube? Good morning, Mark Davies. Don't take this personally, Mark, but I'm leaving. But good morning, everybody. All right. Anybody have any questions before I roll? All right. If not, you guys have a great weekend. God bless you all. Weekend. Have a great rest of your day. I should be on tomorrow. Maybe we'll see. Maybe tonight. I don't know. We'll see. By the system, why? That is true, Kimberly. Peter P. and Kim, thank you. God bless y'all. Y'all have a great day too. All right. God bless y'all. We're going to amen. Kim, Lord willing, I want to bring 1,000 of you to the top with me. All right. God bless.